Understanding your rear suspension system. Did you know that harshness in your rear suspension can signal problems? It could be due to tire pressure, broken springs, or malfunctioning shocks. If the vehicle has air suspension, remember to turn it off before lifting. Failing to do so can lead to unintended inflation of the airbags. Coil springs need the same thorough inspection as front suspension. Symptoms like noise, poor ride quality, or abnormal tire wear can indicate failure. When replacing coil springs, always replace them in axle sets and check spring insulators for damage. Proper positioning during installation is key to performance and safety. Next, let's talk about lateral links and trailing arms. Inspect them for cracks and worn bushings, and always unload the suspension before removal. Rubber bushings are crucial in leaf springs for proper alignment. Ensure there's no movement between the leaves, or you risk premature failure. Lastly, inspect strut cartridges for leaks and damage. Struts should be replaced in pairs to maintain stability and dampening effectiveness. Let's talk about rear ball joints and tie rod linkage. Ball joints connect the knuckle to the control arms. These are designed as ball and socket joints with a tapered stud fitting into the knuckle. Most are permanently lubricated, but some have grease fittings for maintenance. To inspect a ball joint, raise the vehicle and support it safely. Move the wheel up and down to check for axial and radial movement. Look for wear indicators as noted in the front suspension section of your training. Let's talk about tie rod ends. Grasp the tie rod and move it up and down near the knuckle. You can also rock the tire back and forth to check for play. The knuckle, which connects the control arms and incorporates the spindle. If you notice any bending or cracking, it's time for a replacement. A damaged knuckle can affect the vehicle's handling. Let's not forget about shock absorbers. Push down on each corner of the vehicle and see how many times it rebounds. If it bounces more than twice, suspect worn shocks. To replace shock absorbers, inspect shock brackets for cracks and check for hydraulic leaks. Replacing a shock absorber is straightforward and should be done in pairs. Always follow the manufacturer's service directions. Always use new bushings during installation for optimal performance. There you have it. Understanding these components is key for vehicle safety. Regular inspections can save your guest from costly repairs down the road.